this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite Chapter 6 high ping, connection issues, and packet loss. First step is you want to come here and type in View, Network Connections, right click on your internet and go to Properties, find Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS and type in 88888844. Press OK and see if that one works. If this doesn't solve the issue, try and right click on your internet and disable, and then right click Enable. After that, if it's still not working, you can come here and type in CMD, right click, run as an administrator. Once you have this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, type in netsh space winsock space reset. Now it's going to say you have to restart your PC, but just wait because we're going to do that later. Then come here and search for troubleshoot, open up additional troubleshooters, find your internet connections as well as your network adapter, and try and run the troubleshooter on these two. After that, what you want to do is you want to restart your PC after you've done that. Or you can come here and type in network reset now, and it's also going to restart your PC. Now after that, if it's still not working, you might have to find your router in your house, try and unplug it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then plug it back in. Now if it's still not working after all of that, it might be your internet cable in your PC if you're not running Wi-Fi. And your internet cable, sometimes if you have an old cable, it will not give the internet correctly. So try and check all of that, and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.